Introduction to Excel 2007. Learning Plan, Features of Excel, Components of MS Excel 2007 window, Types of data in a worksheet, Entering data in a worksheet, Performing mathematical calculations. Hey Mindy, in the previous class, you learned to make report card in Excel. Can you help me? Sure, Crazy. I know how to work in Excel. You can make your report card using simple steps. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that has many uses. For example, it can be used as a financial tool to perform calculations and other tasks automatically. Other uses include creating contact lists, budgets, or just to track and analyze data for both business and personal use. Excel allows you to accomplish these tasks in a shorter period of time than writing or calculating by hand. Features of Excel. There are a number of features that are available in Excel to make your task easier. Some of the main features are charting. Charting is one of the most powerful features of Excel. Any cell or range of cells can be summarized in an embedded chart. Excel provides a vast number of chart types and options. Any chart you configure in Excel can be used as a part of your report solution. Formulas and functions. Another great feature of Excel is the ability to embed formulas into cells to calculate data. In addition, an impressive list of built-in functions is provided that can be used to summarize data. Cell formatting. As part of Excel, you can customize the formatting of a cell or range of cells. You can apply borders, cell background color, font size and color, number formatting, and much more. Auto-sum helps you to add the contents of a cluster of adjacent cells. Autofill feature allows you to quickly fill cells with repetitive or sequential data such as chronological dates or numbers and repeated text. AutoShapes toolbar will allow you to draw a number of geometrical shapes, arrows, flowchart elements, stars, and more. With these shapes, you can draw your own graphs. Images and backgrounds allows you to add images and backgrounds in the Excel sheet. Sorting and filter can help sort our data and also filter our data so that repetitions can be removed. Starting MS Excel. Click the Start button. Click the All Programs. Click the Microsoft Office folder. Choose Microsoft Office Excel 2007 and click to open. MS Excel window opens up on the screen. Office button, Quick Access Toolbar, Ribbon tabs, Title bar, Ribbon, Cell, Formula bar, Column headings, Dialog box launcher, Row heading, Sheet tabs. Components of MS Excel 2007 Windows. Office button. In Microsoft Excel 2007, the Office button is located in the upper left-hand corner of the window. This button allows access to different file commands such as New, Open, Save, Save As, and Print. This section shows the list of open documents. This section shows the list of commands. Tabs. Excel 2007 provides two types of tabs on the ribbon. The first are called standard tabs, which are the default tabs that appear when you start Microsoft Excel. These include Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and Add-ins, optional. The second are called contextual tabs, such as Picture Tools, Drawings, or Table that appear only when performing a certain task. Ribbon. The ribbon is located at the top of the document window and consists of tabs that are organized by tasks. Each tab is organized into groups or subtasks, such as the font or alignment group located on the Home tab. Each button within a group is called a command button, as shown below. Command buttons, groups. Dialog box launcher. Some groups within Excel 2007 have a dialog box launcher that is located on the bottom right-hand corner of each group. Clicking on the dialog box launcher will open dialog boxes or task panes that will allow you to modify the current settings. formula bar. In addition to the ribbon, Excel also has a formula bar. The formula bar is located above of the workbook window and allows you to enter or edit values or formulas in cells or charts. The formula bar also displays the value or formula used in the active cell. Row headings. Rows run horizontally in a worksheet and are identified by a number in the row header. Together, a column letter and a row number create a cell reference. Each cell in the worksheet can be identified by this combination of letters and numbers such as A1, F456 or AA34. Column headings. Columns run vertically on a worksheet and each one is identified by a letter in the column header. Sheet tabs. By default, there are 3 worksheets in an Excel file. The tab at the bottom of a worksheet tells you the name of the worksheet, such as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, etc. Status bar. The status bar appears at the bottom of the MS Excel window. It shows messages from the program. Excel terminology. To understand Excel better, you should familiarize yourself with the following terminology: spreadsheet, workbook, and worksheet. Spreadsheets and workbooks. A spreadsheet is a grid of data divided into numbered rows and lettered columns. Each block in this grid is called a cell, and it can hold an individual piece of text or data. A cell has a lettered column and a numbered row. In Excel, a file or a document is considered a spreadsheet, although it is commonly referred to as a workbook. Worksheets. The worksheet is a page of data in your spreadsheet or workbook that is organized by the label tabs displayed at the bottom of the Excel window. Default setting provides you with 3 worksheets. You can add or remove these as needed. To create a new worksheet, click the plus button to the right of the worksheet. Some more. A worksheet is a grid made up of 256 columns and 65,536 rows. Columns are labeled alphabetically from A through 4. What is the active cell? Excel identifies the active cell with a bold outline around the cell and by highlighting the column heading letter and row heading number of the cell. In the following example, A1 is the active cell. In the above illustration, notice that A1 is displayed in the name box and the contents of the cell is displayed in the formula bar. Name box, active cell. Some more. Cells are used to store several different types of information, such as data, text labels, or formulas. Cell address. The cell address corresponds to the column name and the row name. Each cell has a unique address. The cell address of active cell in this example is A1. Entering data in a worksheet. To enter data in a worksheet, the steps are: to enter data in a cell, activate the cell by clicking on it with your mouse. The cell border will darken to indicate that it is an active cell. You can begin typing directly in the cell or click in the formula bar and begin typing. Once you have finished typing, press the return or enter key on the keyboard or click on the enter button, green check mark, on the formula bar to accept the changes to the cell. Perform mathematical calculations. A formula is a sequence of values, cell references, and operators used to produce a new value from existing cells. Use the following to indicate the type of calculation you wish to perform: plus, addition; minus, subtraction; star, multiplication; slash, division; the above sign, exponential. Create a simple formula. Click the cell in which you want to enter the formula. Type equal sign. Enter the formula by typing the constants and operators that you want to use in the calculation. Press enter. Applying formula. Type the following data in Excel sheet. Type B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3 in cell F3. Press enter key. The sum of the values in the cells B3 to E3 is calculated and displayed in the cell F3. Applied formula displayed in formula bar, result displayed in F3 cell. Save a workbook. When you save a workbook, you have 2 choices: save or save as. To save a document, click the Microsoft Office button. Click Save button. Save as dialog box appears. Type the name in File Name box for the workbook. In the Save as Type box, choose Excel 97-2003 Workbook. Click Save button. Tick the correct option.